In this video, I'll show you how capping FPS can fix micro-stutter and make any game run smoother. All you have to do is check my video description for this download link, select the download version, and it will start downloading in 3 seconds. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open it and double click on the setup and install the Rivet Tuner. Once the installation is complete, go to search menu and type Rivet Tuner status server. Click on open it and select yes. Click on the system tray. You can able to see Rivet Tuner status server is in here. Just click on it one time. In this list, make sure you selected global. Frame rate limit, set this to 60 and press enter. Minimize this and it's going to be in running in the background. And now you can launch the game. And now the FPS is capped to 60 Hz, and you will never face micro stutter in any game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.